Okay, disclaimer right up front. If things that come out of a drain freak you out, make you puke, this video ain't for you. Otherwise, if you want to know how to unclog bathroom sink drains, bathroom tub drains, with these small mini snakes or hair snakes or drain weasels, whatever you want to call them, this video is for you. Two instances. One, my daughter is unclogging the bathroom tub drain in my ex-wife's house. Second video is me doing a bathroom sink drain at a tenant's house. Man, I don't know how stuff gets down some of these drains. Stay tuned. Let's get after it. Now these drain uncloggers, they come, there's several brands on the market. They come in all shapes and sizes. You got ones like the hair snake, the mini snake, the drain weasel or something like that. I've used them all, but the mini snake is the one I prefer. And it's the one that I'm going to show you how to use in this video. Okay, you just take that and start working it down. Yeah, grab it down low.
Don't get me in the video, Dad. It's not going in, that's how.
Oh yeah, look at there. Okay, flop it off over there.
Give me a rag.
If it doesn't go in one side, it seemed like last time I did, I had to keep trying until it, because you have a basket down there. You have to, there you go. Now twist it as you, about several times as you're going down. Keep on going down. Okay, well, twist it about 3 or 4 times and pull it out.
It's not coming out.
Okay, you gotta pull it out the same direction you went in. There you go.
It's not letting me pull it out, Dad.
Okay, push it back in. Don't tell me you got my snake. Oh, look at that. Wonder why it was topped up. That's why you couldn't hardly pull it out.
Anyways, but I'm not a mom being on chemo. I can't.
What was that?
Nothing! Don't get me in the video! Dad. Help.
Okay, you just gotta. Okay, look, your barbs are facing upward, so pull towards you to get it off. And just pull. You.
Oh yes, Lindsay, go into nursing school where you have to wipe people's butts. That smells so bad. Yummy. How do I get it off?
Just keep
Dad?
pulling. No, you're. There you go. There you go. You just have to rip it off now. There you go. Just keep ripping it off.
You have better things to do besides terrorize me.
There you go. Might take a little bit at a time.
I'm just gonna get scissors.
Okay, get scissors.
Don't tell Mom, though, she'll get mad at me. No, I don't. I quit. Lindsay is quitting. Effective immediately.
Now try this side. You try a different approach because there's probably hair all down in that trap. There you go.
It won't let me go any farther.
Okay, pull it. Twist it a couple times. Twisted it a couple. There you go. Got a little bit there.
This does work a lot better than the other one that we had.
Yeah, I like it better than those ones from Walmart.
The other ones from Walmart break off down in there. This one isn't. It's just good. Yeah, it's fun. We're gonna try again on this side.
Yeah, wherever side you got it in before. Going down. Oh, yummy.
Looks like a dead rat, like flopping around.
Just pull it off with a rag.
1, 2.
There you go.
I think I tore the rag.
Okay, just keep going back in that one. Eventually, the whole thing should go in there. There you go. Just keep on going. Can you feel it hit anything?
Yeah, well, it's like hit the bottom.
Okay, twist a little bit. There's no bottom. You wouldn't feel it. Oh, yummy. Yes, sir. Oh, I'm sorry. Yes, ma'am. Okay, now reach down and pull that hair out without using your...
No, I'm using my rag.
Well, yeah, I mean, don't use the tool. Whoa! Yes! Oh, look at that. Yes, sir. Let's just brush our hair in.
I don't. I always brush my hair.
There you go. Remember, twist it a couple times as you're going down.
Come on.
You gotta pull it out the same way you go in.
I did. I put it down in there. Now it's like... I'm gonna cry, Dad. Help. Do it! Dad!
No.
It's not coming out.
Work it. Yeah, see there?
Don't be commenting.
So easy. A teenager can almost do it, huh? No, that's how you're getting hung up. There you go. I think you got most of it now.
Okay, can I not do this anymore?
I wouldn't do that or you'll wash that hair right back down.